Good morning, boys and girls. It is Super Science Friday and it's Virtual Spirit Week. Today you wear tie-dye. We are going to revise our second All About book, and our topic was McDonald's. Let's review our writing process. We thought of a topic, McDonald's. We touched and told what we were going to put on every page. Then we drew a picture that taught about McDonald's, added a label, and wrote sentences. Today, we are going to revise. And when we revise, we use our green pens, or if you have a colored pencil, you can use your colored pencil. Remember, we do not erase. All right, let's begin. All About McDonald's, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. And this is my cover page, and by looking at my cover page, I am already teaching my readers something about my topic. My friend here is eating a nugget and she's smiling. So I know that it's probably something good, right? We have a drink, hamburger, and fries. Let's read. I will teach you all about McDonald's. So, looking at the picture, I see fries, I see a drink, I see a burger, and I see nuggets. But I feel like maybe I can label nuggets because someone might confuse it for something else, right? So let's make sure our readers know what we are teaching. So I'm going to label nuggets. When you write your All About books, you can label every single picture on your page. You can have a burger, and we label the burger. You can have a fry. Oh my goodness. We should label this, right? We should label our fries. Fries. See, I got my yellow M. You can have a nugget. Let's label our nuggets. We need to add a label on every page. You can have a drink, and we did label our drink. All right. After we revise, we need to edit. And when we edit, remember, we think about how does a sentence look? It begins with an uppercase letter or a capital letter. You need to have a finger space between each word, and we must end all our sentences with a punctuation. So let's reread our book and see if we've done all of those things. All About McDonald's by Miss Allen. Oh, you know what we can do? Add our page numbers. Page 1 is our introduction page, right? I will teach you all about McDonald's. I began with an uppercase, check. I have spaces between each word, check. And I ended with a punctuation. I have a period. Page 2. You can have a burger. Did I begin with an uppercase? No, I need to fix it up. Let me cross this out, and this is an uppercase Y-O-U. You can have a burger. I ended with a period, and I have my finger spaces. Let's continue. After page 2, we have page 3. Let's write the number 3. You can have a fry. Yep, you can give a friend a fry. And I began with an uppercase letter. I have my spaces. And I ended with a punctuation, with a period. Page 4. You can have a nugget. Did I begin with an uppercase letter? Check. I have my spaces. Check. Oops, I'm missing a period. Let me make sure that I have my period at the end of my sentence. And our final page, page 5. You can have a drink. Uppercase Y, spaces. Oh my, we need a period. Now, we are finished with our book. And even if your pages are like all over the place like this is why we add our numbers at the bottom of our paper. Cover page on the top. We put our books together. You can put a staple or you can put a piece of tape and put it together. Now remember, writers, after you have thought of a topic, planned your writing, draw a picture, label, add a sentence, we always reread our books, fix them up by adding more labels, more pictures, more sentences, more words, and thinking about how a sentence looks. And then you read, you can color your pictures and reread it one last time before adding it to our library. So let's read our book one last time. All About McDonald's, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. And now we have our book stapled together. I will teach you all about McDonald's. You can have a burger. You can have a fry. You can have a nugget. You can have a drink. Remember, boys and girls, submit your All About book. You have 2 choices. We wrote 2 books and you are expected to write 2 books as well. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend.